Hey, hello, my brothers and sisters, and even the children. I greet you now. My name na Edgar Onuride Ikpaga. The name never change, oh. Una no waiting. You now know say WHO, World Health Organization, predict say people will go die for Africa because of this coronavirus pandemic. Not go be here. Say they go die. So they fear for Africa. Say because when the thing goes spread reach that side, not be small wahala. They fear for us we would die anyhow. But you know what? Till now, the number of people or the number of cases it not reach 0.0001 inside Black Africa. Congratulations. Not be say they laugh the other countries where people die plenty in their thousands. I'm not happy if say that kind of thing happen. But the thing me I congratulate Black Africa for be say their prediction not work. And I know why. It not work. Because naturally, Black Africans, when you wake up for first thing in the morning, first thing you go do now, you go brush your teeth. Before you brush your teeth finish, you don't jump better battery and they go bath. Some people bath themselves not be here. They go take medicated soap with sponge. Sponge is scrubbing. They go scrub the body. Yeah. From the crown of their head to the sole of their feet. Now scrubbing. The way they can't do that one finish, when they do all the day runs, for night before they go sleep, they go bath again. The same scrubbing from the crown of their head to the sole of their feet. And one of the things that they tell people all over the world, be say, make people they wash their hands with soap, they use sanitizer and everything. But we, for Africa, Black Africa, now bath with the bath from head to toe. Naturally, they're not they take that one away from us. So before the coronavirus come, we don't overcome them. Simple. Before the coronavirus come, Black Africa don't overcome coronavirus. Now I make the thing be like as it is so. But they say, so these are the points. I did say some other things in the past, but this one I want to take and prove to Black Africa. Say God bless us with things. Bless us with human resources. Bless us with natural resources. Bless us with good weather. Bless us with everything. But at the end of the day, we don't make good use of these things for ourselves. Although reasons there, I will come to that. We don't use them to bless ourselves. We need to look into some of all these areas in a way where we say it will be a blessing for us. And then we go feel the care for ourselves. So the things where they make this is not the work. I don't talk them in the past, but I'm not going to just say everything at once. Because if I say them at once, I know the kind of people where we be now. Once we don't see them, after some time, one or two things go overtake them, especially hunger. Go overtake them before we know, we don't forget. So now make me they come all these things little by little, bit by bit, a little at a time, so that as we continue to hear these things, it will remain there. It will trigger one or two things, our thoughts, our minds, so that we can work and care for ourselves. One of the things, now two things, we cannot say one of the things. Two things now I want to talk about. Now be say, not be religion. Now be the matter. Sam, not be religion. Now be the matter. The matter where they ground now stealing. That's the first one. Stealing. And I don't talk about that one before. When I talk of imperialism and armed robbers, I compare them. Now stealing. Now you between the ground. Not be religion, no. Stealing. Then the second one, now be the one way I will describe for now. And I take and they address traitors and tyrants. Traitors and tyrants are the address una make una listen, because you get this crime where they also they commit against the people, the indigenous people of the Niger area, in the north of the River Niger, the south of the River Niger, even to the Benue riverside. The crime where they commit now rape. Yes, rape. Because now the traitors and the tyrants, now then they hold the people down so that Fulani people go feel rape them. Yes. Think am. Now then go hold the people down so that Fulani go feel rape them. I go repeat that. Because the person when he rape, he not love who he rape. He not they love him victim. He not love him victim. He not care whether the victim eat. He not care whether the victim die. He not care whether anything happen to the victim. Whether they hungry or not, you're not concerned. Because once you don't do in business finish, they waka come out with that. The people where they benefit, now the traitors and the tyrants. Because they will give the traitors and tyrants money to do their job, to hold the people down. Then the Fulani go commit. Waka come out. The life of the victim is no matter. Not at all. The life of that victim is no matter. The same thing too with thieves. Thieves come. They don't come with love. They come to steal, to kill, and to destroy. So, my brothers, especially my people, Urobo people, wanna be Keromamo, because the Fulani not care for you, and your destiny itself too. The Urobo nation is not there for Fulani hand. And even the Yoruba people say too. Yoruba people destiny not the Fulani hand. Even the Hausa people say their destiny not there for Fulani hand. The Isoko nation, not, their destiny not there for Fulani hand. The Igbo nation, Efik, all the nations across the whole region, not there for Fulani hand. So, make we rule our destiny. The whole nations that they talk to. Make we rule our destiny. And deliver ourselves from the hands of thieves and rapists. I remain Ekpaga Honorio de Edgar. Make una not forget to subscribe. Make una share this thing, make the thing go all over the place. Make we know where our hunger they come from. Make una subscribe. Make una share the message. Make it go across board. Make it go across everywhere, every nook and cranny. Anywhere where you know say Black Man Day, send them all over the world. Because anywhere where Black Man Day, all over the world, now African. I greet you now. Wado.